now we come to the most exciting part of the evening. We finally arrive at the big moment, the awards presentation ceremony. We're delighted to present the top 30 restaurant awards that has been decided by the grand jury. And to host this wonderful evening, can I invite on stage the absolutely amazing Rashmi Uday Singh, the face of food in India. Accompanying Rashmi for this wonderful night is the host with the biggest foodie in the country, Kunal Vijayakar. Can we hear it for the big host tonight?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this great occasion. What better person to have hosting this evening with me than this wonderful lady? Some call her the queen of Indian cuisine. If it comes to awards, this woman invented them. So, Rashmi, tell us a little bit about what your feelings are on this day.
First of all, I'm really happy to be back with this wonderful foodie family here. Can we have a big hand for all of you, please? Woo! Thank you for having me here, Kunal. Thank you a million. And I don't want to give any long bhashans. We have to go straight into it. I just want to say that this young man and I have a very strange and wonderful relationship.
Don't tell them our secrets, man, Rashmi.
We've been doing television on his Times Now Foodie for 3 years, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
True.
Our relationship is very strange and very wonderful. Who's strange, you know, na? This one.
You're wonderful.
He's strange and I'm wonderful.
So shall we then start with the 30 Best Restaurants Award 2022?
Go for it.
We're going from the 30th to the 1st.
At number 30.
So number 30, La Cucina, Hyatt Regency, Kolkata.
So on behalf of La Cucina, Hyatt Regency, Kolkata, we will have this award sent to you.
Number 29.
Number 29. The award goes to Farzi Cafe, Gurgaon.
At number 28.
And the award goes to, which color guess? Radisson Blue Plaza, Delhi Airport.
Number 27.
And the award goes to Opa Kipos, Mumbai.
Number 26.
Number 26, Koisi, St. Regis, Mumbai.
At number 25.
Number 25, Jamawar, the Leela Palace, Bengaluru. Big round of applause.
Number 24.
24th position goes to Miso Sexy, Bengaluru.
Number 23.
So the winner of the 23 best. Okay, it's Ministry of Crab, Mumbai.
Thank you for the award. We're ranked 23rd in India. Thank you.
Number 22.
The award goes to Tres New Delhi.
Number 21.
Taufu, JW Marriott, Pune.
At number 20.
The 20th place goes to Romanos at JW Marriott, Mumbai, Sahar.
Number 19.
Number 19, 19. House of the Ming, Taj Mahal, New Delhi, my favorite. House of the Ming.
Number 18.
Number 18. Well, it's a hot favorite of many millions of people. The one and only Bukhara.
Would like to thank the team of Food for this, and the arrangement here are excellent.
Number 17.
And the winner is Karavali, Vivanta Bangalore, Residency Road.
Number 16.
The 16th here, ladies and gentlemen, is Yaucha, Mumbai.
Number 15.
Okay, the 15th award is bashing up too much actually. This restaurant is bashing right there, you know. Bastion. There you go.
Number 14.
Well, the winner, number 14, goes to O Pedro.
Number 13.
The 13th spot goes to Masala Library by Jigs Kalra, Mumbai.
Number 12.
Number 12, Megu, Leela Palace, New Delhi.
Number 11.
Award goes to Olive Bar and Kitchen, New Delhi.
Could I invite Chef Sanjeev Kapoor and Shafkat to come on stage and continue with the Editorial Choice Award?